All right, so let's take a look at this problem. This is an expression, not an equation. So they're not asking us to solve this. It's just asking us to factor. So our x method is going to be the way that we do this. Excuse me. Let's write our middle term. Well, I guess first, though, however, I should make sure that there's no greatest common factor among my terms, and that the exponents are in descending order. So there's no common factor, and it goes 2, 1, and the constant term. The first term times the last term is negative 63x squared. So we're looking for two numbers when multiplied together give us this next negative 63x squared, but yet when added give us 18x. So let's come over here and look for possibilities. I oftentimes will take the number and make a factor tree so I can see all the different ways that I can multiply this together to get 63. So I can see that 9 times negative 7 will work. That if I group the 7 times 3, that's 21. And 21 times a negative 3 is negative 63. And 21 plus a negative 3 is 18. So we found it. So 21x and negative 3x will do the trick. All right, so now let's make a table to help us get our factors. Along one diagonal, we take the first term times the last term. Excuse me, we take the first term and the last term, 7x squared and negative 9. And along the other diagonal, we use the two values that we found from our trial and error in our x method. So we look across and see is there a common factor across this bottom row, and yes, 3 is a common factor. Vertically here, a negative 3 is a common factor. Across on the top, an x is a common factor. And vertically here in this first column, a 7x is common. So we have our answer now that we've got 7x minus 3 across the top there, and x plus 3 along the side. If you were to multiply this together, you would get this trinomial, and that looks to be choice B. And we're done. So I hope that helps, and I will talk to you later.